there are many things. So first thing I would say knowledge. We have gained lot of knowledge. Many of our myths are get converted to the truth. What is actually behind and what needs to be followed and what need not to. Many of our worries, fear, or like problems get converted into the joyfulness, enjoyment, and the with proper techniques, proper knowledge, we are now doing the things. And from means starting from the pregnancy till today on, and even until ninth month. So we were having a lot of questions like her vomitings, different kind of pains, how to deal it with. There are a lot of questions we were having. So I would say all of them were get answered till now also, and for till the delivery process also, everything is now clear in our mind. As a father, I was always having that things into the mind, like I want to give everything to Rini also and to our baby also, but I was not aware that how I could be a part of or how I can contribute. So that's the very much like that's the very important thing from my perspective which happened. So now I'm contributing in each and everything, and I'm also feeling connected, which is like in earlier session says is more important. It's not only a mother, but it's a father also. Then couple of like techniques, if we talk about like labor process or the techniques to have the normal delivery, different positions ma'am explained. Then we talk about various nutritions, how it help for baby also and for the Rini also, and it's like for in general for all human beings, how the nutrition food helps to keep the body active, positive, and your overall attitude. It will help to keep the positive. Then next thing we discuss about the vision chart. So when we had a discussion about vision chart and when we thought about it, so one thing which comes to my mind in is like in childhood, our teachers used to ask us that whatever you are reading or whatever you want to remember it or something like that, just write it down, so that it will be in your mind forever and you will never forget it. So that time I realized that it's a simple logic, because if you try to remember everything, it will be difficult. At some point of time, you will lose that from your mind. But if you have it in front of you and if you are reading it on daily basis or at least means whenever as and when possible, so it will never means कभी तुम्हारे मन से या दिमाग से वो चीज बाहर नहीं जाएगी कि तुम्हें जो भी करना है और what are your revisions. So वो एक है, it was a simple fundamental, but we were not aware of it. So that's the another wonderful thing which we learned, and we are even experiencing.
Okay, great. Yes, Rini.
Actually, everyone has told everything, but the main thing which I would like to tell is, for me, clearing some of my doubts. And rather एक session ऐसा था, एक time ऐसा था कि when we both used to get one time together. Actually, due to professional lives, we are not getting much time together. But ये ऐसा था कि जहाँ पे anyhow we used to come, we used to sit, we used to discuss, we used to do our home plays, our vision chart and everything. And वो फिर बात बढ़ने लगी, connection और बढ़ने लगा. Relating to baby, as such उसके पहले इतना नहीं था, मतलब था, but the time span was very less. But due to this session, first and foremost thing which I would like to thank is that our connection increased, and our thinking about it, our involvement in it, that also increased a lot. Secondly, regarding nutrition, I would like to say that there were many things which I was not eating. मतलब ये सुना हुआ था, वो नहीं खाना है, वो नहीं खाना है, वो नहीं खाना है. For example, खजूर हो या कुछ उष्ण हो, mangoes and all. So after I heard the session, so I was like कि नहीं चलेगा, let's try, let's give it a try. कुछ हुआ तो देखा जाएगा. ऐसे सोचना ही क्यों ना कुछ होगा. So I started having it, and there is no issue as such for me also. कि अभी वो उन्होंने बोला था पंचामृत लो, so I'm having it every day. और खजूर हो या मतलब dates वगैरह, everything. So I'm having it every day. Delivery was also a good thing. She told us good techniques which would lead to a normal delivery, and जो वो तभी के anxiety रहती है, तभी का nervousness रहता है, वो कैसे कम करे, you start practicing it from now, you keep a vision right from now, that then it will help you later. We are started to follow it.